What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today I'm very excited because I have a whole bunch of new makeup here to share with you. This is PR makeup that I've collected over the course of 2-3 weeks almost. I am not showing off whatsoever, you guys. I just really want to show back love to the brands that do send me these products, and this is the only way I know how to do it, is by trying to show all of the products and sharing it with you guys. I also love to share new products with you guys that are currently out, so if you guys are interested in that, please keep on watching. You guys, my skin looks so good. Like, you have to see this. Make sure you guys are tuned in and subscribe to my channel. Thumb up this video if you enjoy unboxings. Make sure you guys turn on the notification bell because that's the only way you guys get notified every time I post a video. Okay, I'm gonna show you actually all of the boxes just in case you're interested on just seeing the unboxing. So first thing we have here is a box from Dermalogica. It's like a little cute box like this. I think that's the brand Dermalogica, right? And it's actually 2 products in this box. Okay, so this is basically a products for acne type of treatment. They have here the New Age Bright Serum, and they also have a New Age Bright Spot Fader. Oh, what the fuck? I almost used this the other day, you guys, as well for my under eyes. Like, wow. Thank you so much to Dermalogica for sending this over in case I ever break out. I feel like I have not spoken to you guys or like done a talk through in a long time. How the hell are you doing? Are you guys with it? All this drama that's going on with Jaclyn Hill and their lipsticks, girl, I don't know. Moving on, we have this brand. Gensa is a superfood based brand, so they use a lot of natural ingredients. They send a little letter: hi Sahony, hope you enjoy our new BC foundation. Excited to hear what you think. I am excited to try this because this is their new foundation. I have not tried it, and I actually heard really good things about this, you guys, so I am very excited. So they did send over 3 of their foundation. I'm not even sure how many colors these come in, but it is a BB cream plus a CC cream combined, so you're getting a very nice coverage as well as coverage from the sun. You're being protected from the sun and all that good stuff. SPF always gives flashback, and this is a lot of SPF sunscreen. Either way, I'm excited to try this. Hopefully it's one of my colors. Again, I'm just gonna go through all these things quickly to show you guys and then put it on my face. We also got a package from Sally Hansen. I am excited that I don't even know how I made it to their PR list, you guys, but I'm excited because hello, Sally Hansen, like what? Anyways, they sent over their, it's like their summer essential kit type of thing. So you have the airbrush legs illuminator, and you also have an instant wax strip for face and bikini area. I'm definitely gonna be using this on my face because I have a mustache that I need to get rid of. You guys, I'm also part of the Benefit Club Pink. Super hyped that I made it this year. I was honestly shocked. I did not think I would, but thankfully to Benefit giving me a chance, giving you girl a chance. We've been getting some nice products from Benefit. This is their Baguette Lash. I believe they just added new colors to their collection. They added the new brightening blue shades and long wear eyeliners. So these are like very long wearing 24-hour eye pencils. We have shades Midnight Blue, Dark Purple, and Black. Most likely gonna be using these a lot, but nonetheless, thank you so much. I love this mascara, you guys. It's honestly one of my favorite mascara from Benefit besides their other mascaras, because they do have a like wide variety of mascara, but this one is definitely one of my favorite ones. So you guys, we also got a package from Urban Decay. What the hell? I'll be honest with you, I did not expect anything from Urban Decay, so I am super excited for this. This is their Supervision mascara collection. They have their volumizing mascara. You also have now the waterproof mascara, which I'm super excited. I'm gonna be adding this to my freelancing kit. And we also have the waterproof eye pen. Super excited. Let me just show you guys how this looks like. Look at this pencil, girl. Look at that. I become so obsessed with these fine point felt tip type of eyeliner. I feel like they make everything so much easier, less messy. Everything is just like so quick, you know what I mean? I love this. Definitely gonna keep this for myself. Oh my god, you guys, look at the packaging of the mascara. It's so pretty. Let me just show you up close. Water drop type of thing, and you can actually feel it on the packaging. This is very high-end shit, you know? We also got a package from Revlon. Let's see. They're new. So we have some new eyeliner and also mascara. To show you guys, it comes in this beautiful bag. I really like this. It's just like, damn, this could be a nice gift. Shit, can never go wrong with eyeliner. liners, you know? No, these are pencil liners, which is really, really nice. So they look like this. We got black, purple, like burgundy, gray, blue, and like a maroon, brownish color. Super, super pretty. I cannot wait to see how these work. Let me just swatch it for you guys really quick. Oh, that's very creamy. Pigmented to the house. We loving it. So they also came out with a new mascara. This is their So Fierce mascara. I honestly love this. Gives me a lot of Louis Vuitton vibes, like very high end. I love it. Super chic, classic. We also got a package, you guys, from Tata's Lashes. She sent a little cute letter that says, hello beautiful, I hope you're having an amazing week so far. These lashes I actually already tried, you guys, because I was so like, when I saw them I was like, espérate, this looks a bomb AF. So they sent over 2 lashes in the style Leilani and also Chloe. These are how like intense they are. I love fluffy big lashes, and the packaging itself, it's so beautiful, you guys. Like, just look at this. Again, super, super cute. Thank you so much for these lashes. They're so beautiful. You guys, we also have a new palette from Nomad Cosmetics. Nomad Cosmetics has been one of my favorites. They create the most buttery things ever, and look at this packaging. How cute is this? This is their new eyeshadow palette. This is more on the colorful side, inspired by the wild creativity of the trending Tokyo You. So this is very Tokyo vibe. Again, when you take it out of the packaging, super pretty. I love all this pastel colorful looks going on. I did try this eyeshadow already, and it's absolutely buttery. Again, their formula is just like one of a kind. I feel like it just makes everything so easy to blend on the eyes and all that good stuff. So there you have it. Super, super beautiful. Again, thank you so much to Nomad Cosmetics for this beautiful palette and always allowing me to try their awesome goodies. You guys, we also got a package from Lashes for Eva. So they sent out some cute stuff here. Handheld mirror, super, super pretty. I love this. She also sent a cute little note. Thank you so much. Look at these lashes, how beautiful. They're so, so stunning. I love all these lashes. This is more definitely for like my everyday wear. And then the fluffy lashes that you guys saw, it's more like my Instagram style, that they're like super huge, and even then I will wear those out for like a night out or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this huge package from a new brand. I looked at the pricing and I was like, whoa. Again, if I did not mention, this is a Wyoma Beauty cosmetic line. It's a very new. Once again, they did send over a whole bunch of stuff, you guys, that we have here. Again, I'm going to show you basically everything that I received. I'm also going to use it and show you guys a little demo example of me using it. We have their concealer. I mean, the packaging is super cute. They have lipsticks. Look at this lipstick. So like beautiful. Geez, is that texture? Did you see that? Not no Jaclyn Hill lipstick, honey, okay? But you know what I mean, you guys? Like, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. So it looks like they sent a whole bunch of lipsticks, metallic lipsticks as well. Their foundation. Do they have concealers? Yes, they will brightening concealer, and they even send you guys their eyeshadow palette. Look at this. Ooh. Look at this. This is beautiful. Whoa, let me see. This is like magic. Look at that. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And I keep saying Wyoma. It's not Wyoma. What the hell? Uoma? I'm not sure. But you guys, look at this freaking colors. They're so beautiful. Very like elegant, high-end vibe. This is very well made. I love this stuff and I cannot wait to put it on my eyes. Nonetheless, thank you so much to Uoma for allowing me to try this and sending me this amazing package. Let me know if you guys want a review on this. I would love to do that. You guys, we also got a beautiful, huge package from Revolution Makeup. This is their new summer obsession. I'm not gonna hold this up because it's just quite a lot, but this is basically their makeup obsession collection. Again, super beautiful eyeshadows, you guys. Look at all these colors. Oh my god, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. Again, we have this one. We have the Game Changer. Whoa, super beautiful. Beloved eyeshadow palette is more subtle, everyday wear, wedding kind of looks. Very nice. We have their, I love these colors. So pretty. Very, very romantic. Something broken there and I don't know what it is. They have illuminating fixing spray. Dying to try this. I love me a fixing spray. Are these new concealers by them, you guys? I did not know they was coming out with new concealers. Okay, now I'm excited to try this makeup obsession collection. Whoa, they sent over their 4 different concealers, blurring primer and pore blurring primer. They sent over a few glosses. Oh, here's what it is. This illuminator completely broke. I want to see if I could fix it. I cannot even open it because I know it will fall all over me. You guys, they also sent this. Isn't it peachy? palette, a blush palette, super pretty. I love peachy tones on my skin tone. They also sent over their another face palette, and this is more of a highlighter palette. Super pretty, and I love the packaging as well. They're so nice. They sent over a pure baked banana baking powder. Never tried their baking powder, so definitely excited to try that. We also have an extra hold makeup fixing sprays. We have kind of like two, a fixing spray, and this is an extra hold, so this is gonna hold your makeup. This is a huge collection. Let me know if you guys would like to see any type of review of this. I'm excited for all this new makeup that is coming out. Oh my, oh my god, you guys, we also have a box from Luxie brushes. Hi Sahony, we hope you love our Luxie gift. Tag us Luxie Beauty. Oh my god, you guys, they also gave me a discount code with the name Sahony for 15% off. Look at this packaging. Ooh. Look at this packaging, how beautiful. So we have this. I needed this to clean my brushes. So we have this. They sent over a little baggie. This is so cute. And this looks like it's gonna hold a lot of makeup. They also sent over this. This is the Disney Jasmine brush. So this is like a collection with Disney, I believe. Look how, ooh, beautiful that is, you guys. This is definitely more like a collector. I am not going to be using this. This is gorgeous. This is a collaboration with Disney. Pretty. This is a Lux 518. The packaging itself is so pretty, and even the packaging where it came in, you guys, is beautiful. No way, like this is too pretty. And the ultimate brush face kit essentials. This definitely I'm going to be using. This is the Face Essential Rose Gold collection. This brings 6 different brushes. One thing I love about Luxie brushes is that they're very soft. This is not my first time using Luxie brushes. I actually use them quite a lot. Again, thank you so much Luxie for this beautiful package. Cannot wait to try this baby. Oh my god, you guys, look what we have here as well. A package from Veramona. I love Veramona, but look how cute this is, you guys. My package was actually delivered to the wrong address. I am so happy they actually contacted me and let me know and sent me the package again. So thank you so much Veramona for even like considering that. Like that's freaking amazing, you guys. Look how cute this is. So this is their new mint chip beauty sponge. They did send over and this little package right here as well. Super cute. The sponges is like an ice cream cone. So beautiful. Thank you so much Veramona. Cannot wait to try these babies. And you guys, we also got a package from Derma E. I'm hoping that I'm not showing you my address. Not that anybody gonna come stalk me, I hope not. But we have their new tinted moisturizing BB cream. These are perfect for the summer. I love using tinted moisturizer for the summer. It's actually one of my go-to things to do. Like I don't wear foundation when it's super hot. And one of my favorite ones is actually face tint. I think that's the name of it. I don't know. I'll show you guys sometime. But here is the packaging. We have all of their moisturizer. So this is their tinted moisturizing BB cream, SPF of 30, available in 5 different shades. And they also, you guys, sent a beautiful sponge, which I'm excited to try as well. Never have enough. There is that. Again, we have a few different ones. If you guys want to see any review on this stuff, let me know. Let your girl know. Like I got you. And you guys, last but not least, I actually bought some stuff from Ulta. This is such a random like haul, but I did buy some stuff from Ulta, like body wash. I wanted to try these E-Booth body wash because they smell amazing and they were actually super affordable and they had it on sale, so I was like, why not? I shower every day, me and my husband, so we go through body washes, you guys, so quick, so I had to like pick these up. I also picked up a few things like the Morphe setting spray. This was like my obsession back then. I got taken out of their PR list without knowing. I really like this product, so I just went ahead and picked it up because I needed a new one and I haven't tried it in a long time. I also wanted to add it to my kit. I'm actually surprised that I got this. Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. I don't have a curl defining cream and I think that's like what I'm missing to get my curls like looking tight and nice. I really want to start like wearing my curls more often for the summer especially, so let's see if that happens. If not, I just wasted my money on this. You guys, I am so upset that I paid $20 for this. Maybe I'm just too cheap. I should have just bought a fucking primer. Like, did I just pay $27 or $20 for these little things? Maybe the powder seems okay, but I was actually expecting something more, like something bigger from this little tube. Like I was expecting something maybe like this here, or like this is 0.5 fluid ounce. Like this is probably not even up to here, filled up to here. Like, you know what I mean? Becca Skin Love Brightening and Blur Primer. The reason why I wanted to try this is because because I love Becca primers. It seems like they're the only primers that work for my skin type. For some reason, whenever I wear Becca primers, my skin looks so good on foundation and everything, you guys. It just looks absolutely bomb. And I wanted to try this before I bought a big one to see if I liked it, but I thought it was gonna be bigger than this shit. Like, this is not even a travel size, this is a sample. And we also have their soft light blurring powder. You know what, let's just try it. I was like, damn, this shit is a rip-off. And you guys finally got to pick up the poreless putty primer. Everybody been fuzzing about this shit, that it's so good, that it's amazing, that you can just try it, and it's also super affordable. So it's just like a putty primer. This has been compared to the Tasha one. Tasha also has one, and it's like very expensive, and everybody loves it, but it's too expensive. So this was like a dupe. I seen everybody saying that this was a dupe. This is supposed to perfect and smoothen out your skin texture and shit like that. So I'm gonna test this out and see how it works out for me, because I swear you guys, like, for me, not everything works on my skin. And you guys, I also picked up from Essie. I love Essie nail polishes. This is in the color Skinny Dip. It looks like that. I don't have anything on my nails because I'm actually gonna be doing a nail tutorial, so stay tuned for my people that love nail tutorials. I got 2 of these, baby. This became a super hype by Tati's video. She was doing a video with J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo's makeup artist, and he showed that this is what he used, like, to give that glowy mist on her chest. I actually used this past weekend on my chest as well, and it really did give you like that beautiful glowy dewy finish, and it just looks amazing once you apply it. And of course, had to get it SPF 100. I don't know why, but hey, why not take care of your skin, you know? And last but not least, you guys, once you order above like $50 or something, you get a little gift. You get all these NARS stuff for free. So I was like, hell yeah. I've been dying to try NARS, you guys. I believe this is a blush, and it's in the shade Orgasm, and it's like a cream blush. Not really into cream blushes, but I just wanted to try something from NARS, and this is what I got. We also got a lip power matte. This is so cute. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna get a pink. What the hell? Why is this red? This is red. I thought it was gonna be pink. In the website, it showed that it was gonna be like a pink gloss type of thing. I also have this bronzing powder in the shade Laguna. I definitely been dying to try this. This is so tiny. So this is the bronzer in the shade Laguna. This was actually a very hyped up by a lot of big influencer back in the days, and this is how it looks. Super cute. I love the packaging. It's so nice. We also have the blush, again, Mini Baby. It's so cute. I love it. This is also in the blush Orgasm. I'm actually excited that I got this for free, you guys. But hey, now I have NARS products. Oh my god, like, it looks so smooth. I'm telling you, every time I use Becca primer, it is like my skin just love Becca products for some reason. This foundation from Walmart Beauty, I am excited to try this and maybe giving you guys a review. If you guys are interested on that, let me know in the comments. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, like, share, and comment. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video.